Most meeting room audio solutions provide an inconsistent experience, where some people sound okay, but others are barely intelligible. The Microflex Advance MXA902 integrated conferencing ceiling array not only provides superior audio capture with its array microphone, but clear and natural reproduction with its built-in loudspeaker. The result is a more equitable meeting experience for everyone on the call. Listen for yourself.
I'm currently sitting about 6 feet away from a typical all-in-one video conferencing soundbar. And from this distance, I sound okay.
I'm sitting about 12 feet away from the same soundbar. Note that my audio level is lower, my voice is a little bit muffled, and therefore I'm harder to understand.
We're now using the Shure MXA902 mounted in the ceiling of the room towards the front above the table. I'm sitting about 6 feet away from the microphone.
I'm sitting about 7 feet away from the MXA902, and therefore my voice quality is very similar to Andrew's. Because the MXA902 is mounted in the ceiling, it's a very similar distance to all talkers in this room, and the sound quality is consistent.
The MXA902 has a single zone of automatic coverage and picks up all talkers within a 20 by 20 foot area. The IntelliMix DSP balances the sound and removes room noise and echo.
Remote participants hear all talkers in the room, no matter where they sit. Consistent sound means a more equitable experience for all participants in the call.
The MXA902 integrated conferencing ceiling array provides superior sound that transforms meetings from tedious events to productive experiences. For more information, contact an authorized Shure reseller.